Good morning, guys. Today I've got an exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be going back down to Bournemouth to see my friends today, and I'm also going to be moving my stuff out of Bournemouth, my university accommodation, back to home in London. I'm also going to be visiting a beautiful place. It's actually in the Jurassic Coast, which is called Durdle Door. So before I leave Bournemouth, I've always said that I definitely have to go there. So today is the day. So I just need to get ready and then I will take you guys with me. Look at you just smiling. What did you say?
So get out the lane.
Cameraman. Only Jen can't turn around because she's driving. Turn around! So guys, we're on our way to Durdle Door, which is it a beach?
Kind of, yeah, basically.
Which is a lovely beach. And we're just gonna have fun. Is that good? Arrived at our destination. You know, usually like when things are seen in pictures, they're not prettier than in person.
Yeah,
But
except you.
That's a good comeback.
words can bring me down. Oh no. You are beautiful. No matter what they say.
Oh, my head.
So what are we doing? Are we just chilling, eating?
Chilling,
Having a
eating,
picnic.
taking pics, sitting on the beach,
Yeah.
enjoying.
And having a great
Life.
time. My last day in Bournemouth.
But your last day officially where you have a place in Bournemouth.
Yes.
But you'll always have a place with me.
In your studio.
Yeah.
Like, it goes like that.
Oh, it looks like boobs. Yeah. Oh yeah, that actually looks like boobs. Ali, only you would say that.
I know it was only me. They're cold.
Yeah, they're cold. You're lying to me.
Oh yeah, they are. Hashtag free the nip.
You actually don't get to do this as often. Well, I don't. Not in London. You don't get this in London.
It's somewhere like a lake or something. My sister was in the other day in London and it looked really nice. It's a little bit chilly. This feeling inside.
Oh, should we get our Polaroid?
Guys, I'm out of breath from those stairs. What was your highlight of today?
The views
Oh my
and
God, yeah.
spending time with you guys.
Oh, stop it. Definitely. So now we got to walk up all the way here. So where do you want to go to now after the toilet? So I'm currently in my university accommodation, but I'm moving out today since I finished uni. And this is what we got so far. I mean, I've been gone for so long, so this is why it's dirty, because I wasn't here, I'm guessing. I'm pretty sad to leave, to be honest, because I've spent year in this accommodation, but I've spent 3 years in Bournemouth, almost 3 years, and it's just a bit sad, but a new chapter in my life, I guess, now that uni's over. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready and pack my stuff and then get ready to leave. So I'll take you guys with me. Right, this is where we're at. And thanks for the help, guys.
It was so hard. Whacked.
So guys, let's ignore that this is a different day, but I'm going to go ahead and close off the video here. If you did like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure to turn on your notification bell so you know when I next post. And see you in my next video. So bye guys.